boy MangoMitch back at it with another video, and in this one we're going to be unboxing a shift shaft brace from Cop & Sting for the CRF110. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we are. Open her on up. Oh wow, guys. Now that's awesome. There it is. As you can see, if I'm not mistaken, there's two little mounting points. You use the right here, and it prevents it from bending at the crankcase. So this is an absolute must for any CRF110 owner who is going to be doing anything with their 110. If you're getting down on the 110, you're going to need a Cop & Sting or any brand shift shaft brace for that matter. Cop & Sting happens to make nice, sick color, quality products, so I went with that one. Plus a few of my buddies also have this one, so it's a no-brainer. Why wouldn't I get it? And yeah, other than that, might get to some B-roll and probably installing this sucker. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. As you guys can see, that right there is the actual shift lever. Bam. But behind it, you can see that it's just like a bolt. And if you dump it and that bends like inside the engine case and completely screws it up, and you got to go in, and it's not a fun time. Let's get in there and open her up. So I was correct. It was a 10. As you can see, they had some Loctite on there. So you're going to want to reapply that when you go to put that on there. This should just slide off like so. Okay, there's grease there too. It wasn't the whole thing. I didn't know that this was two pieces. This bolt and this bolt, which was sitting like that. Opens that up a little bit, and then now that that is opened up, we have a clear shot at the shift shaft brace. You are going to want to pull this bolt from your case, which is an 8mm, and see that bolt from your case, which is an 8mm, and then you can slide the shaft right on. Numero dos. Sweet. Now you're going to take your shift shaft and you want to go long ways down, short up, and just slide those bolts directly back into place and tighten them down. That's solid, like so. Now, fits good. Best part is the bike is protected. Just gonna slide this back over like so. And for the shift shaft brace, it's another day, but I'm getting this back on here. You don't want to leave it open. You ended up having to shave a little bit of it off just so it fits. As you can see, you can get it like around here to there. It needed that extra little room. Now we're just going to install it back on. One bolt there, one bolt there. We'll be good to go. Just like that, you're all set up, ready to go. If you enjoyed this one, please leave a like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.